today's video, we're going to explore one of the most unique and beautiful courthouses in the state of Georgia. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danivator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video.
This is the location of a famous South Georgia roadside attraction. It is the final resting place of William Duggan, a circus owner who died at the age of 51. He is buried next to his father, George. And this is a marble, life-size tombstone of his beloved baby elephant, Nancy. This graveyard is very scenic and is very historic. And speaking of historic, let's go to downtown Moultrie and tour Colquitt County's spectacular courthouse. Walking over to the courthouse, I passed by this realistic looking dog statue. And over by the Colquitt County Courthouse Annex, I find this U.S. veteran enjoying the sights of downtown Moultrie. Across from the courthouse on Central Avenue is the Moultrie Welcome Center. Inside is a model of the Colquitt County Courthouse, which was constructed by the Arts and Crafts Department at the Walker State Prison located in Rock Springs, Georgia. Built in 1902, the Colquitt County Courthouse is often referred to as Georgia's perfect courthouse. Of the 159 courthouses throughout the state of Georgia, this courthouse is unique because it has 4 entry points. This is the Eternal Flame Memorial. Here you will find a list of those veterans from Colquitt County who paid the ultimate sacrifice and died during World War I, World War II, the Korean War, the Vietnam War, and the Iraqi War. The flame has been burning since July 4th, 1976. This is when the memorial was dedicated, and it also marks the time of our nation's bicentennial. There is also a Path of Valor where you can purchase a brick and honor a U.S. veteran who served in the past or who is currently serving. Has anyone seen a missing totem pole? W.E. Aycock, Sr. carved this totem pole in 1968. In 1976, it was removed and sent to be treated for termites and for some wood repair at the local high school. During its transition, it was lost. Still a mystery today. The placard in the middle describes how Colquitt County was created in 1856 and was named after Walter T. Colquitt, a lawyer and a Methodist preacher. This placard describes the history of the larger of the 2 magnolia trees located in the courthouse square. It is believed that this southern magnolia tree was planted in 1908 instead of the 1845 date that is on the placard, or at least that's what I was told. This has been the site of many proposals and weddings. Today, while I was filming, Moultrie had their second Saturday event here at the Courthouse Square. On the southwest corner of the Courthouse Square is this 30-foot tall Confederate monument. Just like the life-size elephant statue we saw earlier at the cemetery, it is made of marble. It is dedicated to those Colquitt County men who served in the Confederacy during the Civil War. This is the tallest Confederate monument in southwest Georgia and is one of the tallest in the state. Just look at that life-size Confederate soldier standing way up there. Let's look at this water fountain. It is also made of marble and was placed here in the memory of Roswell G. Clark. Clark was a clerk of Superior Court for 20 years before serving 2 years in the Georgia House of Representatives. Clark was known for his unique penmanship. His fancy signature is displayed on the fountain. Inside the courthouse, you can find some additional memorabilia and information of the history of Moultrie and Colquitt County. Behind the fountain, to the left of the door, is this placard that provides information on the completion of the building and its many restorations. Beside it is this tiny bench marker. In 1917, the U.S. Coast and Geodetic Survey engineers determined that the courthouse is 333 feet above sea level. Just to the right is a centennial renovation placard of 1956 to 1957, and beside it is a placard which celebrated the courthouse turning 100 years old. Walking east on this cornerstone is the date when the courthouse was completed, which was 1902. And over by the east entrance is this placard that reads, "Improved by the Works Projects Administration in 1940. On the First Street side of the courthouse, we find this bell. In 2003, it was placed here in the memory of the founders of the local Kelly Reeves Furniture Company that was open from 1934 through 2000. Well, you know we gotta ring that bell. This is a memorial to any Colquitt County public official who were to die while on duty. I can see 6 local police officers whose names are etched here. Also located at the northeast corner is the Lewis Hill Amphitheater. Lewis Hill was a former president of the Downtown Moultrie Association. This area seems to be a great place to relax and enjoy the sounds of downtown Moultrie.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today here in Moultrie, Georgia. Visiting baby elephant statue, visiting the Colquitt County Courthouse. Remember to please subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I will see y'all the next time.